This is David at Moon Motorsports. We have a 2016 Pioneer 1000 cab unit here. This unit comes with a hard poly windshield. Also comes with a windshield wiper kit. Just do a quick walk around video here. Comes with a winch on front. These pre-owned side-by-sides have been high demand. So once these things come in, they do not last long. So if you are interested in this rig, come check it out. Take a quick walk around and then I'll fire it up for you. This unit is all ready to go. If you wanted to outfit that with a heater, I can get a quote for you as well. You can check with the parts department and tell you what it would take to get a heater in this rig. There's a winch control right here. Also comes with a remote control for the winch as well. This is the windshield wiper kit. Looks like it plugs into that outlet right there. Let's fire it up. So this rig has 1,769 miles on it. There it is, 2016 Honda Pioneer 1000, full cab unit. If you're interested, give us a call or stop on by Moon Motorsports and ask for David Zelensky. I can help you out. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.